Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video will feature 20 different bob haircut ideas. So if you have been thinking of going short, this video will definitely inspire you. So here we have someone with pretty long hair, I'd say about mid-back length, cut their hair into a bob. Followed by a chic bob haircut with bangs. And then we have this gorgeous pink bob. Absolutely love that color. Then we have another bob hair transformation. Another chic bob with bangs. Followed by a short mini bob makeover. So cute. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these bob haircut ideas, please be sure to like today's video, and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another person who decided to cut their bob a little bit shorter. Followed by this curly bob hair transformation. And then we see another bob with French bangs. Love that wavy texture. Followed by another beautiful all black bob haircut. Then we have another chic and stylish bob. Beautiful all black middle part down the center. And then we have another haircut and color transformation. Love the subtle highlights that the stylist added with this bob haircut. Another classic, beautiful bob. So leave me in the comments below which bob haircut is your favorite. I think mine was definitely that pink bob. It was just so beautiful. So then we have someone else with the long hair decide to get a French girl style bob. Beautiful bangs. Another classic jaw length bob. So beautiful. I am loving all of these bob haircut ideas. So if you guys want to see more inspiring hairstyles, be sure to check out this video next.